Good morning, traders. So let's kick off with the Aussie. And there's a couple of levels we need to pay attention to, and I think the weekly Kijinsen is still pretty close to us. So let's just keep it on the chart so we know what's going on. And then we have this swing high over here, the high of last week, and this high here. So for today, I think those are the areas we need to watch. Let's just get down to the daily. Okay, so from a daily perspective, you can see how Kijinsen and Tekinsen are coming together, which is great. You can see how we've broken through the cloud, and we basically bounced off the daily Tekinsen, okay, the blue line here, which is a pretty bullish signal. Now what we have is obviously we have this high end here, and then what we need to do is we need to pay attention to the high of Friday, which is there. And now you'll see that we need to actually add, you can see I've got 1, 2 touches up there. Okay, so that's the previous breakout that needs to be tested. And obviously that high. And we might as well just line that one up there. Okay, so we've got so much happening to the upside. And I mean, it's a really busy area in front of us. Let's just get down to the 4-hour, and it should start becoming a bit clearer. So first things first is this area here. So that is the trend that we're in at the moment, which is going to the upside. Now if I just copy that trend line and we put it there, that is the current channel. And you can see how it was used as resistance there, and uses support there, uses resistance here. And you can see how we in a pretty well defined channel moving to the upside. Okay. Concern I have is this picture here, where you can see the divergence brewing, and while price is moving to the upside. So that is a bit of a warning sign, but nevertheless, remember, diversion can continue forever. So for me, the idea is still to play to the long side, wait for the pullback, whether we get bounce off this level here, off this trend line, or off the 4-hour Kijinsen or cloud. So what I'm looking for is some kind of a pullback here. Now we're sitting at almost 52, so 51988 on the futures market, so we're roughly 100 or so points above. Let's get back to the hour from where we closed on Friday. So I suspect we should have a little bit of a pullback. The question is to where, and you can see on the hourly, you can see we have divergence from this high here, but this area here there's no divergence at the moment. So again, the trick is just to watch price action to see what kind of pullback we have. Now, what you would have noticed is from here to there, it was pretty close to the 61.8. So I think what we should actually do is just take cognizance of that level and put that in there. So there's the 50%. So again, this is the area that I would look for longs. Okay. So watch price action to see what happens. This is the area, and if you look carefully, you'll see there is a breakout retest that's due here. And we can actually just move it and tidy it up onto this pin bar here. So that's one area. I'm going to delete this one, and we're going to put another one in right there on that Brooks gap. So that would be the first area to watch. Second area is going to be here. Okay. Obviously, if we break below this, then this area becomes the target. So I suspect, since we've had three, this is the third touch on this trend line, I suspect if we do pull back, the higher probability will be a bounce off this trend line and then a move to the upside. So I'm still favoring the longs. Just wait for a decent pullback, and the pullback needs to come back to this area or even to this Brooks gap area. Anywhere around here, you need to watch price action and see exactly what's going on, and probably on the 15 or even the 10-minute chart to see when you're getting a reversal signal. And that would be an area to go long. And again, the long, I'd only be targeting these two levels here. Anyway, guys, that's Aussie. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you guys later.